How to create and host your own Bout on the app. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to host and create your own Bout on the Bout application. So in that case, you could either use an application or a web browser. Either way, the procedure is going to remain the same. So if you're using a web browser, just type in the link that is demo.bout.com app and log in into your account. When you're logged into your account, this is basically how it's going to look like. So right on this page, you need to go ahead and select whether you want to create an event, and then you'll be able to see this option as create new event. Go ahead and press on it, and after that it's going to take you to the page where you can go ahead and create an event or a bout or set you as a host. So you're going to go ahead and enter in the rules and regulations, criteria mentioned, and all of that. Accordingly, you'll have successfully created and hosted your own bout on the app. And likewise, you can go ahead and invite general public to your event as well. So that's how you can create and host your own bout. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.